In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get any data into Notion without typing. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of copying and pasting huge amounts of information into Notion, this tutorial will make your life much easier. Instead of manually typing everything out, you can use Notion's built-in import feature to bring in existing data from other tools, documents, or files you already have. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion workspace and that you're on the page where you want the information to appear. You can import data into an existing page or start from a blank one, if that feels cleaner. Once you're on the right page, look toward the bottom left corner of your Notion window. You'll see a section for settings and workspace options. Click on that settings area at the bottom left. When the settings panel opens, you'll notice several options related to your account and workspace. Here, look for the option labeled Import. This is the key feature that lets you bring data in without typing it all yourself. Go ahead and click on the Import option. As soon as you do that, Notion will show you a list of sources you can import from. Depending on your version and what Notion supports at the time, you might see options like importing from CSV files, other note-taking apps, or documents stored on your computer. The idea is the same no matter which source you choose. Select the option that matches where your data currently lives. After choosing your source, simply follow the on-screen prompts that Notion gives you. These prompts will guide you step by step. For example, if you're importing a file from your computer, you'll be asked to browse for the file and upload it. If you're importing from another app, you might be asked to sign in or grant permission so Notion can access that data. Take your time with these prompts and read each screen carefully. Notion will usually show you what it's about to import and sometimes how it will be structured once it lands in your workspace. This is a good moment to double check that you're bringing in the correct file or account. Once you confirm, Notion will handle the rest and automatically create pages, databases, or content blocks based on that imported data. When the import finishes, scroll through the page and make any small adjustments you need. You can reorganize sections, rename pages, or tweak database properties, but the heavy lifting of typing everything out is already done for you. And that's all there is to it. Click on Settings at the bottom left, click on Import, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts to get your data into Notion